Good morning. Today I'm feeling a bit fragile, so I'm going to drink my coffee while I'm going to be doing some gentle gardening of repotting some verapazense and Anthurium seedlings that I grew from seed, which is the first time I've done that, it's just made me so proud, and I'm so happy to be actually at this stage doing this. They are rooted in sphagnum moss like that, and I will be potting them up in a loose potting mixture that is made up of leca, perlite, bark, and potting soil. I've got this seedling tray that I'll be putting them into, and I just want to do that so that they can start growing a stronger root system, and so that we can start getting them accustomed to soil as a potting medium. I'm not going to remove all the sphagnum from the roots. I feel like that might traumatize the plants a little bit. So I'll be leaving that sphagnum there, but you can see that it is quite exposed, which is great. Dessert spoon, and I'm just going to start popping some soil in, getting these guys in there. I'm actually not sure how many there are of them, so it should take some time. They look so cute. They've probably been growing for about a year now. I just haven't had the time to take them to the next stage because we've been traveling the whole of last year. So they've clung on to life quite successfully. Coffee break. Some of them are a bit weird. They really have like almost zero roots on them, so their chance of survival isn't great. They've just been kept alive by the very wet sphagnum, so we'll have to see how they adapt here. Yeah, okay, so I've done it. Here we go. Isn't that so awesome? Woohoo! I now have 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 times 8 is 34. I now have 32 seedlings. So stoked. So stoked. Thank you for potting with me. Bye.